I'm with CAT Simulator, Sim4Motion. I am a manager of our installation and training department and our support department. So what we do is we design all the software in-house along with an engineering team that develops all the hardware.
Okay.
You've had a quick look at the simulators. As you can see, one of the big key factors we have with the simulators here is we use authentic controls. Those are if you go into the real machine, every switch, button, control, joystick, whatever it is you're using, we have identical on the simulator. And so that adds some more complexity to our development on how we develop these. And the main reason we like doing that is when you leave the simulator as a trainee, you can roll right into the real machine and you don't have that apprehension. We have line of sight to controls, we're building muscle memory, that type of thing is the main reason that we do those authentic controls. Secondly, when we talk about software, we have a piece of software called SimU Campus. That is our records management software. And that software runs the entire simulator. It's tracking every movement that user's doing in the seat. So as you saw earlier, John was running that simulator. It's tracking everything he's doing. At the end, it'll provide him a report. In that report, it shows you any number of different data points. Execution time, fuel burn, bucket fill factor, productivity. So that in the end, productivity is one of the big things that we're trying to develop.
Yeah, of course.
The better we can make this user, they take it out to the real machine, we enhance their skills, it's better for everyone. So one thing I know, our motion system, which makes it pretty realistic to the movement of what's going on. You've heard it across the industries, our motion is really spot on. One of the advantages we get is we have our CAD operators. They're using these simulators before they're ever public to anyone, and they're getting the details down to this doesn't feel right when I'm pulling this bucket back, or there's just the movement.
Utilizing their experience in the actual machine.
The other key factor, like I talked about earlier, are OEM controls. We don't use generic controls.
Right.
So we get that one-to-one from the machine to the simulator. Our SimU Campus, because we have the operators, the data that we're pulling kind of the real world stats that our customers want to see out there into that simulator.
Okay.
So that's kind of a big factor. There's other great simulators out there, but having our relationship with Caterpillar and having that proprietary data that we can put into the simulator to make it as realistic as we can kind of helps set us apart.